Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and a new week. My name is Vanessa if you are new here, and I hope you consider subscribing to our channel. I do post a lot of in-store couponing videos to Dollar Tree, Walmart, Publix, just to name a few. So I am new at CVS, which is where I am tonight. So if you guys would like to see what all I purchased, then make sure you guys keep on watching. First we have is the Maybelline Cosmetics, and at the time I filmed this, my store was not tagged, so we are going to be doing the buy two and you'll get a $5 extra bucks, and this does have a limit of one per household. So I decided to get the Maybelline brow product. When it's down here at the bottom, it's regular price for $4.99. So what you're going to do is grab two of those, and you're going to pair that with your CVS app with a $3 off $10 and a $1 off manufacturer coupon in the CVS app, making your final cost only 98 cents once you receive those extra care books. So the next deal I have for you guys is the Colgate Optic White toothpaste. This is on sale for $3.50. You're supposed to receive a $2.50 instant savings coupon from the red box. I did not receive that, but you'll pair that with a $1 manufacturer coupon from the 1/5 newspaper, making this absolutely free. Up next, we have the U by Kotex tampons, and these are on sale, 2 for $8. So you want to purchase 2 of those, and you'll use a $3 off of 2 manufacturer coupon from the 1/5 newspaper. So you'll pay $5, and you'll receive $2 in extra bucks once you get to the register. Up next is a freebie. It's the CVS brand cough drops. We have the black cherry and also the menthol, and I believe there was a honey lemon as well. But in the CVS app, there was a digital coupon for free cough drops up to 30 count. So you want to clip that, and then you will get these for absolutely free. This is our last deal of the night. So we have the Tide Simply Pods. These are on sale for $2.94. And on the CVS digital app, you'll use a $1 off Tide Pods manufacturer coupon along with a $1 off app only CVS coupon, making these only 94 cents. So here's what my cart looks like. I got the Tide, the Colgate, the Maybelline, the cough drops, and the tampons. So I'm going to go ahead and head to checkout, and I'll see you guys when I get back home. Alright you guys, so we made it back home, and for everything that you see here, our retail price comes out to $23.17. And I did end up putting the Tide Pods back because my coupons weren't loaded on my card correctly. And the other mishap that happened at the register was my $1 off manufacturer coupon for the Colgate. It did not come off as well. She didn't scan the coupon, I suppose. So I did end up overpaying $1, but that's okay. It's not a big deal. But with all of our coupons, we paid a total of $10.98 out of pocket. And after we received that $7 in extra bucks, our final price comes out to only $3.98, which is about 66 cents per item. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys found it helpful. And if you guys have any questions, make sure you put those in the comment section down below. Hope you guys have a good day or night wherever you are, and happy couponing!